Yun na.
Yeah. Hindi, kahit saan. Kasi parang nag-uusap lang tayo.
And then sa intro.
Saan titingin pala? Sir, saan titingin? Sa camera?
So,
Sa camera lang.
yung intro.
Yung one?
Okay, what's up?
What's up, everyone?
Good evening, good evening.
Alright.
Alright, let's
Hello,
go.
hello.
Before anything else, welcome to GolfCon 2026.
Yes,
We
sir.
are...
Four Puppies! Let's
Okay, so before anything else, magpakilala
Pakilala
muna
kami.
tayo
Yes, yes.
with our audience. So,
Okay.
of course.
Hi guys, it's Nico Sia here. And
Hi guys, I am Ralph Noriega.
What's up guys? It's Andre Bamba.
Hello guys, I'm Jolo Torreda.
so
Ayan.
we are Four
Four
Puppies!
Puppies! Ayan, pangalawang beses
Parang
na.
kailan natin i-practice pa yun eh. No? Hindi tayo
Thank you so
nagsasabay eh.
much,
Hindi tayo
Yeah.
GolfCon, for
tutugma
the
eh.
invite pala. So this is actually our first podcast as a group together. Just random casual golfers playing.
Yeah, random casual golfers na naglalaro every Tuesday sa anong favorite nating course? South Forbes. Ayan.
Very specific na Tuesday ah.
Okay,
Syempre,
so
yun naman yung available.
first question guys.
Okay.
Siyempre, paano kayo nagsimula maglaro ng golf?
Oh, sige,
Eh,
simulan mo.
Unang tanong naman palagi yan eh.
Okay, sige. I think ako muna yung magsa-start. I started playing golf 2 years ago. I started playing golf because I really want to be closer to
your
my
dad.
dad.
Yeah, yeah.
So, I have a very deep reason kung ba't ako nag-golf. I'm a basketball player, by the way, and a football player before. Pero, gusto ko lang talaga mag-golf kasi gusto ko talagang maging close kami ng dad ko. Gusto ko bigyan ng chance na maging close kami together.
And
That's it. Then, the rest is history.
Alright.
Yun ang reason kung ba't ako naglaro ng golf. And how about you, Dre?
Sa akin naman, I actually started playing golf because inaya lang ako ng friend ko. We were playing badminton, then biglang sabi niya, tara punta tayo ng driving range. So,
Alam mo ba yung driving range?
oh, actually, as in ano lang, like sobrang random lang on a random day. Tapos trinay namin, and then eventually, parang ano siya, may learning curve kasi siya. It's not an easy sport to learn actually. May ano siya, may challenge. And as a former like football player, iba yung learning curve pagdating sa golf.
Yeah.
There are times na makukuha mo siya, may times na hindi.
Yeah.
On and off siya eh. Parang roller coaster lang, di ba?
Oo.
Mataas minsan bababa.
Bawal ka palang i-compare sa golf, no? Kasi
Bakit?
wala ka bang ginagawa, kuha mo na ako.
Ay,
Magaling eh, magaling eh.
grabe naman bumarap.
Okay,
Iba naman
Jolo,
dito.
Jolo.
But anyway,
Ikaw naman.
Jolo, yun na naman story ko.
Okay.
Sige, I started playing golf kasi actually naging curious lang ako. Kasi diba parang iba when people see golf na parang feel nila super mahal or like very
Yeah.
exclusive. So parang nakita ko sa TikTok na pwede na pala maglaro, mag-range sa public courses. So I started sa Intramuros. So like I tried it lang, tapos parang bumili lang ako ng random clubs sa marketplace. Then after that, nag-stop ako. Tapos the true reason is parang may donate ako before, tapos nag-range siya, nagpapa-coach. So parang sabi ko,
Nagpapa-coach sa'yo?
Hindi ba? may ibang coach siya, so parang sabi ko,
Okay.
ay, sabayan ko nga to. Tapos, ayun. Tapos ayun, parang, di man kami nagkataluyan, at least, I fell in love with golf.
Name drop mo ba to?
Hindi.
Ay, wag na.
Kailangan sensor.
Hindi, pero honestly speaking, si Jolo talaga, napapanood ko na to. Hindi pa ako
Way back.
hindi pa ako nagko-content creator sa golf.
Actually.
Speaking of that, ikaw, Nico.
Ako naman,
Why
of
did you
course,
start playing golf?
I'm considered as a pandemic golfer. Yun nga sinasabi nila, may mga pandemic
Same.
golfers lang. Yung bago lang mag-golf nung nag-pandemic. Siyempre, di ba gusto natin ng sport na bago, ganun. Of course, nagbabasketball tayo lahat, di ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
So, when I first started playing golf sa driving range, grabe, iba pala yung feeling. Nakaka-frustrate siya. At the same time, you wanna improve. That's why you keep on coming sa range and then eventually matututunan mo yung how the game works, ganun. And then I just started posting also on TikTok. I get like opinions sa mga pros, sa mga bago rin. And then I think that's where the community starts na.
Wow.
Grabe
Doon ko
siya
sa
naging
meet si
peak,
Jolo.
Actually.
Kayo. Ayun.
Tayo. Actually, walang four puppies kasi sa golf lang talaga kami nagkakilala.
Yeah,
sa golf.
actually.
Actually.
So, we are very
Mutuals.
thankful for golf kasi ni-unite na to eh. Itong puppies na to na nandito
Yeah.
sa ngayon na nakaupo ngayon
Ito,
dito.
paano nga pala natin na yung name na Four Puppies?
Ayan, speaking of that, yung four puppies kasi, originally hindi naman siya four puppies eh, di ba? Fairway puppies.
De, ano muna ang four?
Fairway
Sa mga
dito.
hindi
Oh, four.
ano ang four sa golf?
Yung four, ang alam ko lang sa four, Tagalog term is, bago ka pumalo, alam mo sabihin ng four kasi baka matamaan.
Bago pumano.
So, ang terminology na four is pag sa golf, pag
Ano ba?
Ano nga ba?
Dapat alam nyo yun, guys.
Basta
Golf etiquette yun.
Basta pag sumigaw ng 4, dapat umiwas ka na kasi baka matawa.
Hindi kasi
ka.
parang-
Actually, yeah,
Or
yeah.
may matawa.
You alert
Ganun.
ata the...
Warning yun.
Warning,
Parang
warning.
titira
It's a sign
ka.
of warning.
Parang golf etiquette siya kasi, di ba, alam nyo, pwedeng ma-aksidente mo yung nasa harapan mo kapag di ka
Oo.
nagwa-warning na
May
titira
mga
ka eh.
maintenance,
Di ba?
may golf cart.
Yeah.
Oo, so-
Tas puppies naman kasi.
So,
So, naman.
Kasi puppies, alam nyo naman bakit? Kasi masunurin kami.
Shout out
like
pala
puppies.
to mga Albon.
Linitra mo naman yung puppies. Hindi tayo puppies,
Paano ba?
pare.
Paano?
Shout out
Puppies
Sir
kasi
Sino.
puppies.
Ah, puppies, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Please elaborate. Dapat sa'yo manggaling
Yeah.
eh.
Papi siguro for me, it's something na parang a brotherhood eh. We have like a mutual connection, each one of us. We were able to bond through golf. For me, yun for meaning ng papi sa akin. Hindi siya yung parang ibang like social status or whatever.
Yeah, yeah,
it's
yeah.
more of something that we were able to acquire through golf. And it's not your typical explanation of papi. Kasi
Galing
papi,
talaga
para
ni
sinabi
For
mo,
Papi
Galing.
Andre.
sobrang pogi or ganun. Para mga wow, ano yung impression niya. Pero for me,
Yung papi din
papis.
kasi parang like bro, oy, papi, musta ka?
Oh, parang ganun,
Di ba?
parang very
Oo.
casual lang when you
paka-pogi,
say it.
oh.
Oo,
Papi.
tsaka for me, ang papi talaga si Andre, ang literal na papi. Kasi pwede ko maging Mr. International eh.
Shout out din pala dun sa counterpart natin, which is
Four
Four
Bodies.
Bodies.
So, dito yung Four Bodies, guys.
Shout out sa 4
Yeah,
bad.
Lagi
Shout out
namin
sa Four
nakakalaro
Bodies.
yan. Oh, so, moving forward, Jolo, ikaw. Paano ka ba in fairway? Paano ka ba nakikipaghalubilo sa mga kalaro mo? Kasi parang gusto ko siyang itakel eh. Kasi in your flight mates, are you a serious golfer or are you may
Casual?
friendly or casual golfer kasi? Ikaw ba?
Friendly.
Siguro depende sa unang palo. Kanya pag unang palo ay pangit na. Sabi ko, ay, practice na lang to.
So, based sa mood mo.
Kasi diba minsan may times na maganda yung palo mo, so you're playing for score.
Yes.
Tapos minsan naman, pangit. So like, laro na lang, madami ka na lang itatry na hindi mo matatry sa range. Kasi iba pa rin yung range pati sa fairway, di ba?
I agree.
So are you a serious or are you a casual?
No,
golfer?
casual
Could be
golfer
both.
lang. Tas
Yeah.
for fun lang talaga.
Or
for
meron ng bago
brotherhood.
ngayon, YouTube golfer, di ba?
Yeah,
May term na
May
gano'n
pro
eh.
na nga, di ba?
So,
May
ano,
pro,
ano,
may YouTube
For
golf.
entertainment, like mga challenges,
Oo.
yung mga trick shots.
So si Jolo ay isang casual golfer, yun
Yeah.
ang golf persona niya. How about you, Dre? Ikaw?
Ako, I would say I am a more laid-back golfer. Like, I don't really dwell much.
Grabe talaga to.
Parang, for me, example, when I hit the bad shot, hindi ko na siya masyadong iniisip. Like, I would always say na, okay, meron pa namang next hole, meron pa namang next shot. So, I try not to get frustrated over a bad shot kasi it's gonna affect my, my entire game. Kasi, di ba, we all know na golf is a mind.
Yeah.
Very, challenging sa mind. So,
Sana
you have to
matutunan
keep
ko yan.
calm. So, you know,
How
I would
about
say
you, Ralph?
laid-back.
For me, I have, last year, I'm really a competitive golfer. Last year,
Yeah, sobrang dami
Pero,
sinalihan na.
oo,
tournament.
last
Lagi
year
ka
talaga
sa tournament eh.
tournament year ko last year. As in, talagang sobrang nagseryoso ako. Kasi parang may paniniwala ako noon na I'm starting to create content. Kailangan maging magaling ka. Kailangan if you need to show people, your audience, your reach na you're a good golfer. Pero parang hindi siya naging healthy sa akin. Nag-reflect ako nito lang. December 2025, nag-reflect ako na I think wag masyado ako maging seryoso sa golf kasi
Enjoy mo lang, bro.
dumating ako sa point na nagbabato na ako ng clubs.
Yeah.
And ayoko.
Na-witness
We
ko yun,
witnessed
na-witness
that.
ko yun.
We witnessed that, bro.
So parang nagko-contemplate ako na ano ba, ginagawa ko ba to just because gusto ko ma-please yung audience ko o ginagawa ko to para ma-relax ako? So I think mas pinipili ko ngayon na gusto ko mas ma-relax ako at the same time, marami na rin tayong brands na nagtitiwala sa atin. And ayoko naman masira ako na may attitude ako sa course, makita ng mga ibang flight mates na nambabato ako ng club, nawawala na yung etiquette ko. 'Di ba? So I must say na nasa casual/YouTube golfer ako ngayon. Yung pagiging competitive, pwede natin i-activate yan pag meron tayong pag
Shout
meron
out to
tayong
Sir Jess.
tournament eh. Shoutout pala, dumadaas si
Of
Let's
course,
Go pare.
Let's Golf,
Let's
pare.
go.
Shout
Let's
out,
go.
shout
Ayan na.
out.
Why
Shout
we are
out.
here.
Ayan, shout out. The real papi. The real papi.
real
The
why
OG
we are
papi.
here.
Let's go pare. So,
Yes.
Ay,
let's go. Ayan. So ikaw, Nico.
Ako naman, wala, papogi lang. Kasi I do TikTok also for a living. So, might as well, parang sa sport, di ba, sa golf, parang, you gusto mo mag-dress well, ganon. So, parang sa golf course, ma-dress well ka rin. At the same time, it's part of your work. Parang ganon.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
ina-enjoy ko yung game and at the same time, I meet new friends. Actually, I would say, nabuo yung grupo na to, pati yung mga four buddies. I think I'm part na That's why nabuo yung group eh.
Oo,
Yeah,
totoo.
I agree,
You're
I
the
agree
bridge
naman.
talaga.
I would say I was a bridge.
Ikaw ang
Yeah.
bridge talaga. Totoo
So,
yan.
ayun lang. Tingnan mo, na-invite tayo sa ganitong events. I get to work with one of our dream bands, one of our
Oo.
favorite brands.
Totoo.
So, it's just timely na with GolfCon happening this 2026, we also got to meet another partners.
Yeah.
And kaya, just start posting, guys. You never know. Mali mo, ikaw na nandito, di ba?
Oo nga.
So, ang tip ko lang sa mga beginner golfers or just anywhere, kahit saan, just click that record button, post, then soon you might be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, ito na, tama-tama tong follow-up question na to since nabanggit na ni Nico yon. Why did you start creating golf content? Bakit ka nagsimula mag-create na? Kasi Nico Sia, kilala na natin niya sa fashion industry.
fashion boy,
Di ba very
yeah.
popular na siya sa fashion industry? I mean, ako masasabi ko yun kasi lagi yang dumadaan sa feed ko with especially with the TikTok TikTok algo ko, dumadaan talaga siya.
Thank you for
Why
that.
did
Thank
you
you for
start creating golf content? Golf.
Syempre tayo, di ba, nagvi-video tayo para makita yung swing natin.
Yeah.
So ayun, nagvi-video lang ako para ay mali pala yung swing ko. And I start posting, nagulat ako, may audience din pala doon. And then may brands din nag-reach out. So yung mga beginner golfers din na-encourage natin to play na it's okay. Kahit beginner ka, okay lang maglaro ng fairway, doon mo ma-enjoy. You
Yeah.
don't have to be good at it. You just have to enjoy the sport.
Enjoy
Ikaw
lang.
naman.
Ako, I start, just same reason sa kanya. Kasi golf is very challenging sport eh.
Yes.
Like today, sobrang galing mo, tapos bukas parang hindi ko to araw ah. Parang hindi ko to araw. Beginner ba ako? So it's a very challenging sport. So sabi ko, maging effective kaya kung i-record ko to. Tapos nagka-idea na ako na start ko na kaya yung tarapalo. Kasi yan yung niyaya ng mga tao kapag kunyari golfer ka. Ganyan yung invite eh. Tarapalo. Saan?
Saka
Yan
madami
eh.
kang nabibring na iba-ibang golfers.
Yeah, yun
At
yung
different age also.
yeah, yun yung reason eh. Tsaka nakikipag-collab din yung mga OG golfers sa atin which is may yung natututunan tayo sa kanila na madalas lalo kanina, 'di ba? Nakausap natin si
yung approach
Sir
sa
Mike
game.
Besa, shout out Mr. Pinoy Golfer.
Yes, sir.
Words of wisdom niya sa amin kanina, lagi naming tatandaan 'yan. 'Di ba? So how about you, Dre?
Ako, I would say,
But why did you start creating golf content? Guys, isa rin to sa fashion creator si Dre.
Grabe.
Grabe, napakagaling pumorma nito.
Tropa ko yan.
Ako, for me, I just wanted to record parang something to document my swings. Ganun din. It all started with documenting how my form was. Ganun.
Yeah.
Tapos eventually, I wanted to have it more like, kasi na-inspire ako sa YouTube Golf,
Yeah.
especially sila Grant Horvat,
Wow.
Good. You know, these people are inspirations to me. That's why I kind of have this mindset na parang, why not implement the same kind of concept here sa Philippines na, you know, you want to have casual fun with friends, you know, have a good time, mga challenges. But at the same time, something that I learned with creating content on the fairway is that you have to be mindful always of golf etiquette.
True.
Kailangan mindful
We
ka
just
kasi you're
learned
not
that
the only
earlier
person
also.
playing, di ba? May mga ka-flight ka pa na gusto rin maglaro.
So, sasayaw ka ba
syempre-
sa bro? Sorry.
Ha?
Sasayaw ka ba?
Ay, di naman. Just sa
Pwede sa cart pat.
Carpet dapat.
Depende kapag maganda yung music. Pero,
Sample.
no. That's for another day. But then
Other
again,
day.
yun lang
Okay.
again, yung reminder ko, if you wanna create content on the fairway, you always have to be mindful of golf etiquette, yung mga people playing as well, tsaka
Yeah.
always be respectful. So, ayun lang. Ikaw, Jolo, what would you
Ito,
say?
gusto ko to marinig kasi sa ating lahat ito yung pinaka-OG
Yung
sa
maangas yan.
content, golf content creating, golf talk talaga to si Jolo. So,
So,
ito,
nagbibigay siya ng mga, for example, magkano maglaro sa Club Intramuros, magkano maglaro sa
Very
Greenfield,
educational
Okay.
content.
Tsaka
eh.
nagtuturo to ng libre ha.
sa
beginner
Rock Copy.
Such an inspiration for me.
Okay, sige. Siguro nag-start ako magawa ng ng golf content kasi yun nga, I'm trying to grow the game na hindi nga naman siya super mahal, hindi like see ng tao na parang elitist sport siya na hindi naman siya super mahal. Kasi kung magbabasketball ka, bibili ka rin ng shoes like 7,000, 8,000. Babayad ka rin naman ng court which is like 1,000 to 2,000 an hour. E pag nag-fairway ka, ganun din. Tsaka when it comes to kasi like golf, you can play it alone. Kunyari pag basketball naman kasi kailangan bubuo kayo like at least 10 or like 5-on-5 or like 6 for 3x3. So I think just growing the game and like gusto by experience lang ng ibang tao yung golf kasi me growing up kasi ako first generation golfer ako, wala nag-golf sa family ko, so just para yun lang matry lang talaga ng ibang tao
Yes,
yung golf
iba
talaga
talaga
na
to.
fun talaga siya, tapos ang dami mong matututunan. Sabi rin ng coach ko na ang dami kong mamimit sa sport na to, tapos it's a gentleman's game, ang dami ko rin natutunang life lessons like sa golf din and sa live na ma-apply mo sa live. So yeah, yun yung mga
Ayan, speaking of that, sinasabi ni Jolo, ang dami na daw natutunan sa golf. Sa game of golf. O sige,
yes.
top of mind. Ano yung pinaka-thankful ka na natutunan mo for golf?
Siguro pinaka-thankful, lesson ba?
Top of
Lesson-
mind, yeah. Lesson na natutunan mo sa game ng golf.
Siguro, when hitting a bad shot, kailangan mo na mag-look forward sa susunod mo na shot. Na
Yeah.
Kasi pag inisip mo yung bad shot mo, like kunyari, with life, pag inisip mo yung mga bad na nangyari sa'yo sa past mo, tapos parang you continue to dwell on it, hindi ka mag-move forward. So parang pag inisip mo pa rin yun sa next shot mo, yung bad shot mo, mas lalong papangit yung game mo.
Guys, tissue. Kailangan mo ng tissue. Iyak ako.
Shout out Marriott.
Inspire.
Shout out to Marriott.
Grabe, I'm so inspired sa mga naririnig ko. Grabe. Meron ka ba masasabihin, Jolo? Kasi I think I need tissue dun sa naririnig ko. Nagiging personal na to usapan natin. Oo, yeah.
So, parang very thankful for the game of golf
Yeah.
talaga. And like,
Without
kunyari,
golf, we're
without
not
golf,
here.
hindi ko kayo ma-meet.
Yes, that's
Oh my
true.
God.
Life-changing.
Mas lalo ba ako naging emotional doon? ikaw, Dre, top of your mind, ano ang pinaka natutunan mo sa game of golf?
For me, it's keep moving forward.
Wow. That's
Always ganun
crazy.
yung mindset eh. Always keep moving forward. Kasi sa fairway, bawal mabagal, di ba? Kailangan may pacing tayo. At
Yeah.
the same time, if meron tayong mga bad days or mga bad shots, kailangan natin mag-move forward. Kasi wala na eh. Tapos na eh. Na-shot na natin. Wala na tayong magagawa. So,
Yeah.
always have to be looking forward to the next one na lang. Kasi, you never know. Ganun talaga ang buhay. You have to keep moving forward. Nothing stops. No one stops for us. So, ganun lang yung mindset ko whenever I would play golf. What about you, Ralph?
Me, top of mind na natutunan ko sa golf is patience talaga. I'm a very impatient person back then.
Ooh.
As in sa lahat ng bagay, wala akong patience. Wala, wala. Napaka-ikli ng pasensya ko. Pero syempre, when you're studying golf, inaaral mo yung rules, inaaral mo yung swing mo, inaaral mo yung form mo. You need a lot of patience para magawa mo yun.
Totoo yun.
Yung kapag nainis ka lalo mong hindi matatamaan yung bola, aminin nyo yan.
Oo.
So, in life, nadala ko siya, yung natutunan ko sa golf na in every aspects of your life, kailangan mo ng patience eh. Hindi lahat fast pacing eh, na parang hindi ka doon ng basketball, matuto ka ng 3 points, shooter ka na. Matuto
golf,
kang rebound,
di
pwede
pwede
ka na
yun.
maging center. Sa golf, hindi.
Hole-in-one ka lang.
Like we said earlier, minsan ito yung laro natin ngayon. We're playing our best game today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, maglaro ulit tayo. For sure, hindi na naman yun ganun.
Yeah, man.
Diba? So you
Yeah.
need to be patient na parang, and wag ka masyadong hard sa sarili mo. Kapag pangit yung laro mo.
Yes.
Don't be too hard on yourself na ano. May nakita ako content ni Jolo, ikaw ang nagbayad ng green fee mo. So bakit ka maiinis sa laro mo?
Oo nga naman.
Just relax, diba? I mean si Jolo, yung very talaga yung mga content niya, tingnan mo, may natututunan pa rin ako moving forward. So ikaw,
Ako,
top of
greatest
your
lesson,
mind. Lesson
Yes, sir.
sa golf.
golf is life.
Yeah.
Wow.
Diba? When you go out, you see greens, you see nature. Yun yung masaya sa golf eh, diba?
Yeah.
Pag may problema ka, try mo mag-golf, makakita ka ng greens, just relaxing.
Mm.
So,
Pag nasa shower ka,
pag
mag-practice
shower ka, practice swing ka, and every bad shot,
Shower?
ay ligo naman ako bro.
Paano nag-shower ka practicing? Paano yun? Eh, di ba sa
Mga swing lang.
Kaya every
Naman
bad
masyado
shot, so the next shot will be different.
Yeah.
Parang sa buhay lang. Pag may problema kang the next day, okay na yun.
Oo.
Then just move forward nga, according to Andre.
Tsaka parang tama
That's golf
yun,
in
golf
general.
is life. Sometimes your path is slice,
Mhm.
pero papunta pa rin yan sa straight eh. Kasi second shot mo, baka mag-green mo
Sometimes
na
it
yan.
will
eh.
hook.
Mag-hook. Di ba?
Kasi you never know what's gonna
Ganun
happen.
ang life
May-
eh. Our life hindi siya straight. Sometimes it's slice or hook. Or
Or draw.
minsan OB pa yan. Pero at the end of the day, kaya nating bawiin yan.
Sa next
Minsan may
hole.
Kaya
negative
natin i-hole
yards
out
pa.
yan, bro.
Pag ano, mamasa
Double par lang naman.
Double
Double par
par.
yung score mo sa hole na yun. no?
Oo, double par lang but at least natapos mo.
Kasi pina-pick up na.
Ito, ito.
Sir,
Okay.
Good
pick up
question.
na tayo.
Pick up na yan.
Anong sa tingin mo this 2026 like golf fashion would be?
Oh.
Ay,
Yeah,
perfect
Kasi
yan.
syempre
Good
we
question.
all wanna dress good in the fairways also, di ba?
Oo.
What
Actually,
do you
I'm very happy kasi since we're talking about fashion, ang daming local brands.
Yes.
Yes.
Sa golf,
Yes.
di ba, sa Philippines, ang
Yeah,
daming...
ang dami ng local brands.
Pabanggitin ko na guys, siyempre 3 Strokes. I really represent 3 Strokes. It's a local Philippine brand and naniniwala ako magiging global brand siya.
Yeah.
So, 2026, paano ba yung golf fashion? I think mag-grow siya to the point na hindi na natin masyadong iniisip na local lang to. Kumbaga nag-upgrade yung mga local brands eh.
Yeah.
Kumbaga nag-step up sila. Like nakikilala talaga.
Comparable na din to international
Ako
brands,
naman,
yung quality din.
feel ko back to the 90s,
Yes,
80s
sir.
yung mga golf fashion natin.
Oo.
For example, Malbon Philippines is bringing the golf vibe na vintage, di ba?
Yeah.
Same with Adidas. Yun.
Yeah. Ikaw, Dre.
For me, I feel like we have to keep in mind to wear whatever we want, but at the same time, follow yung course etiquette.
Which is
Meron din eh, di
the
ba?
same example as what Dre is wearing. Ayan.
Yeah.
Golf.
I mean,
Oo.
Guys, kailangan ng belt pag nag-golf. Kailangan may collar. Yan, the most important thing.
Oo. Paano pag masigip na yung pantalon? Kunyari.
niling bago.
So, bawal mag-t-shirt sa golf course.
Oh, yeah. Bawal
Very
without
strict
collar.
din
Dapat
kasi.
may collar
Dapat may
palagi.
collar talaga.
Tip lang.
Yeah, but we have to respect the course din talaga. We have to dress well. Kunyari, pupunta kang work, di ba? Kailangan maayos din naman yung damit mo.
Tama.
Oh, iba.
Parang you treat it as parang...
Ito naman,
Ano siya?
tips naman sa gusto mag-post ng golf content. Or
Ayan siya. Tama. So ako, tips ko lang, just record your swing. Swing your swing. Kahit pangit yung swing mo, okay lang. Kahit napapangita ka, i-upload mo yan. Kasi alam mo, sa golf community, tutulungan ka ng mga nasa paligid mo eh. Yun
Hashtag
yung
ka lang,
okay
golf
eh.
PH.
Oh, golf PH. Just
Golf
post mo sa
PH.
Let's Golf Pare. Post mo sa Pinoy Golfer.
Yeah, yung-
Tutulungan ka.
Yeah.
Minsan nagpapakorek yung swing yung mga yung mga nagre-record.
Tsaka
Anong mali sa swing ko? Tapos i-correct nila.
Dami
Medyo
din
naka...
nagre-recommend ng mga drills na parang pwede nila
Oo,
i-practice
diba?
sa range.
So ikaw, Dre. Tips for beginner golfers.
Tips lang is
Wants to start creating content also.
Creating
who
content.
wants to
Oo.
start creating content
Ganun
is
natin
probably you just have to record with what you have. You don't have to invest in anything too expensive, camera gear. Hindi naman yan necessary. As long as you have a cell phone, a tripod, pretty good na yun kasi that's enough. That's what you have. You don't have to really spend so much into creating content that's meaningful and entertaining at the same time.
Yeah.
So, as long as ma-record mo yung gusto mo, ma-capture mo yung, ma-inspire mo yung other people to start golfing, then that's no problem. It doesn't matter whatever you're recording with.
Okay.
Mm.
Jolo?
Sa akin, ang tips ko naman is just record and have fun. Kasi huwag mo naman isipin na kailangan mo na
record ba
gumawa
yan?
agad ng content. Parang sabihin mo na, isipin mo na lang na you're recording your swing, your progress. Parang yung last session ko, ito yung mali ko. Or like parang just watch compare mo yung swing mo sa YouTube clips. Ito yung tama nila nagagawa. So, I think for tips for making content, just record it, press record, and just have fun.
So ito, since we're talking about content creating, syempre, masaya pag may pumapasok na brand sa atin, di ba? Na parang may nag-i-inquire.
What's your dream collaboration brand?
O yan.
That's a
Sa
good
golf
question.
or in general?
Sige, ako muna mag-uumpisa.
Okay.
Alam mo, recently, natupad yung dream ko na yan, yung collaboration with a brand. Kasi, in-invite tayo ng tailor-made for their launching ng QI4D. So, I'm really thankful for PAC Sports Philippines for inviting me to that tournament. Actually, kahit tournament siya na sinalihan ko lang
Di
para...
biro yung ganong tournament,
Hindi biro eh. Para mapasama ka sa team tailor-made sa
Yeah.
Philippines. So, parang it's really an honor for me as a content creator golfer.
Yes, sir.
Ikaw, what's your dream collab brand for golf?
Honestly, when you ask that question, parang walang brand agad na nag-pop sa mind ko. Parang, for me, I'm just thankful if a brand would like to collaborate with
Yeah.
me. Kasi they see na nag-resonate yung brand nila
Parang
with what
meron
I do.
na pag-uwi, bro.
Oo. Parang may magkocontact
Uwi mo,
na kay
meron
Dre.
Parang, for me, I'm very open. Kasi as long as I get to put in my creativity in helping the
Yeah.
brand establish their reach through younger audiences, older audiences. So, for me, as long as ma-help ko yung brand to reach their goal as a brand without me trying to be someone else.
Yeah,
Kailangan
that's
maging
nice. Yeah.
natural
Just be
pa
you.
rin. Maging be myself, my genuine self whenever I'm collaborating with a brand. Kasi
Yeah.
the brands, they reached out to you because they trust you with how you represent their brand. So,
Yeah. Actually, nakita kita sa isang store Uniqlo. Sobrang
Uniqlo
kay
Golf,
Dre,
friend.
Uniqlo
Yung
Golf
may poster, no?
Oo,
Ito,
nakita ko
si Nico rin eh.
Ito
Uniqlo
si
boy yun
Nico.
eh.
Uniqlo tong dalawang to eh. So, baka madamay na rin kami dyan. How about you, Jolo?
Dream
collab brand. Ayan.
Siguro, medyo natupad na rin siya. Kasi,
GL ba yan?
Palakpakan natin si Jolo. Natupad na lang.
GL ba yan?
Hindi pa naman dyan. Pero sana, di ba? Pero yung nga
Baka
isa
naman,
sa mga
JL.
natupad.
Transview.
Transview baka naman.
Actually, yun nga. Yun nga.
Pakita mo yung JL mo. Pakita mo.
Kita-
Transview.
Transview, oo. So,
Trans
ayun.
mga boss.
Yung natupad na nga kasi siya kasi
Okay.
part nga ako ng content creator for GolfX. So, yun nga.
sir.
Wow.
I make videos
So, Team
for
USA
GolfX.
or
Huwag ko na ulitin yun.
or Team Europe?
Pero nakakatawa naman kasi gumawa talaga ng videos na gano'n. Lalo nga,
Oo.
kunyari may Ryder Cup.
Yeah.
Yung video ko dati.
Paano?
Team
Gawin
USA,
mo.
Team Europe.
Ang galing mo.
Pero ito, yung parang siguro hindi dream collab is like
Is-
with Jay Lindenberg.
Ah,
Jay Lindenberg.
sure.
Kasi trans.
JL means Jolo.
Hindi naman Jolo. Kasi real story kasi, diba, akala nyo JL kasi Jolo.
Akala ko.
Kasi,
Diba?
diba,
Ikaw may-ari ng JL.
Stockholm
kasi my real name ko is
shareholder.
Joshua Luis. So initials ko talaga siya, JL.
So perfect for JL Philippines
Yeah.
ambassador.
Yes, sir.
Grabe.
Pati most din naman clubs ko kasi is Callaway. So, I like Callaway din talaga.
Ayun, nandun na yung
Driver daw
Callaway.
yun, di ba?
Oo.
Wala sa corner eh.
Oo nga, nakikita ko nga
So
dito
si naman, si Mr. Nico Sia.
Ako, I
Oo.
would
Meron
say,
pa ba? Meron pa bang dream
Parang
collab?
nakamit mo na lahat
parang
eh.
Parang
lahat
nasilat mo na lahat
I
ng
would
collab
say
brand natin
being
eh.
part of the Adidas Philippines
Yes, sir.
golf.
Yeah, grabe. Oo nga.
Shout out also to Pac Sports Philippines for that opportunity.
Yeah.
And then yun lang, just keep on posting, guys.
Mhm.
You never know where it will bring you. So let's
Totoo.
closing remarks.
Yeah, I think last question.
Okay.
2026, ano ang ilulook forward nila individually for us, content creators?
Oh, break
individually.
Okay.
Ano ilulook forward nila sa atin? Anong aabangan nila sa atin?
Break 80 ako.
Oh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
ano ba yan?
Sa
On record ba
atin.
yan? Yung break
Okay.
80 na yan?
Oh, on record.
I-upload mo ba yan?
Oh, kung if
Why
it's a
not,
good day
diba?
on me.
Yeah.
Ikaw.
Ako, honestly, right now, to be honest, wala pa akong nilulook forward
Dapat meron.
for the year. Pero since narinig ko na mag-break 80 ka, parang gusto ko mag-break 50.
Wow!
Red tees.
Red Tees.
Bryson.
Well, ako, siguro, to collaborate with yung mga nagsisimulang golfer and yung mga OG content creator golfers, yun ang nilook forward ko for this year. Kasi I really wanna learn from them. I really want to help din yung mga beginner na nagko-content creating.
Yeah.
Gusto kong makita nila yung vision ko for golf talaga.
Mm.
Ito talaga yung nilook forward ko. In the Philippines, of course. Oh, I mean, si Grant Horvat, ayan, yung mga hindi pala.
Ano
Sila
na
Grant
yun eh?
Horvat, alam mo, sila Grant Horvat kasi nagsimula yan. Nagfi-film lang din sila, but now he's a champion and nag-help na siya ng mga newbie golfers, di ba?
Yeah.
Na nagsisimula mag-content creating. So, that's my goal, to collaborate with other golfers. Kasi every golfer na nagiging guest ko sa Tarapalo, may iba't ibang perspective sila sa buhay eh.
Yeah.
May mga natututunan ako sa kanila. Every guest may natutunan ako sa kanila. So that's my goal for 2026. To collaborate more sa mga golfers here in the Philippines, and kung meron man international, kung papala rin tayo, let's do it.
Okay, alright. Sige. Ikaw, Jolo.
Ikaw. Okay, so wait, ano ba ang question? Like parang
Anong inilook
Goal.
forward mo for this year, 2026, and anong aabangan namin sa'yo?
okay. So for 2026, siguro post more videos, either like humor yan or like, kasi ako usually magaling lang ako sa short game, hindi talaga sa long game. So yung
Sample, paano yung swing, short
So,
game?
wag pa, wag ganun. So, ayun, more content lang, more videos kasi more on 2026.
More recoil content for me.
Hindi kasi parang yun nga, you know naman guys, I had setbacks from 2024 to 2025. So, this 2026, the people can expect me.
Comeback year mo to.
Comeback year, yeah.
We're ano yan, manifesting comeback year ni Jolo this year.
Yun, comeback year with my golf content and collaborate more with the other 4 pappies, so like joint tournaments. So,
Sino
yun.
ba yung mga wala dito? Shoutout mo.
So shout out kay Jeremy Dalmasio. Actually,
Enzo
nanonood
Buwan.
siya ng Live Singapore.
Oh, siya
Oh,
representative
kaya
ng
sila
4
wala.
puppies
Actually,
sa Singapore.
pinadala siya ng 4 puppies sa
Pinadala siya ng 4
Singapore.
puppies.
Kasi si Bryson nag-chat sa atin, wala man ako supportang kukuha sa 4 puppies.
So,
Eh,
pinadala na
papi,
muna natin sila.
Pinadala muna
Pinadala
natin sila.
sila.
Eh, kailangan golf con to. Di ba? Ano ba naman yung Live golf con to?
Sila muna doon. Kaya na.
Ano ba?
Ikaw naman, Dre.
Ikaw, Dre.
Probably mine is just to inspire other people to start playing golf, to start creating content. Kasi it's something that's really gonna change your life in a way. Like, for example, if you wanted to create content na golf, eventually when you start playing, dun mo ma-realize nga na golf is life. Na ang dami mo matututunang lessons with golf.
Yeah.
Not just how to swing properly, but in terms of discipline, your outlook on life or how you view things, very reflective siya on the way we are as people. So, yun lang. I just want to inspire people like how these YouTube golfers inspired me. So, just to give back to the people, yun ang goal ko this 2026. So,
Yeah.
hopefully to inspire.
Also, to add lang sa sinasabi ni Dre, we can, like, us, golf content creators here in the Philippines, we can also, like, promote golf tourism here in the
Yes,
country,
of
di ba?
Yeah, with DOTR.
Yeah,
Kasi
DOTR.
If may like mga foreigners na sa ibang bansa,
Yeah.
gusto nila maglaro sa here sa Philippines, search lang nila Golf PH kasi usually
Yeah.
ikaw,
Yeah.
punta kang sabi mong like Malaysia, Golf KL.
Mag-golf tour ka sa
Yeah,
Philippines.
golf tour.
Search mo lang si Jolo Torreda.
Yeah.
Pinapakita niya yung Intramuros course.
Yeah.
Search mo yung Tarapalo, makikita mo yung Hollow Ridge.
Yeah.
Search mo yung
Forbes.
South Nicosia, South Forbes. Search mo yung Dre. South Forbes again.
Tikud.
Tikud.
And
So
also,
yeah, I
when-
think
yeah.
totoo
Diba?
yun. Yung golf tourism talaga dito sa Pilipinas
Yeah.
is really supporting golf community.
Yeah.
Talaga.
When it comes to traveling din, 'di ba? Usually gumagawa sila ng itinerary nila. So like budget, kunyari, yun nga with courses kung magkano yung magagastos nila, what do
Yeah.
they expect, what they expect to pay, or like if ano yung, for example, like food sa tea houses, yung parang mga signature food doon. So yun din talaga pag yung
Yeah.
Okay guys, so
golf
put
tourism
PH in the
talaga
map.
for PH. Yeah.
before we end this, we'd just like to thank
Yeah,
Sir
Sir Jesse Guerrero
Jesse
for
Guerrero,
having us
yeah.
here sa podcast Let's Golf Pare.
Let's Golf Pare.
Follow nyo yan. Subscribe to Let's Golf Pare. Sa YouTube, meron silang Let's Golf Pare TV. Subscribe nyo yan. Of course, gumagawa na sila ng SDE sa mga golf tournaments.
Oo.
Nag-organize din ng Let's Golf Pare ng mga golf tournaments. So, just contact and email Jesse Guerrero. So, thank you for having us, Sir
Just
Jesse.
wait, describe golf in one word and then we end this.
Okay.
Life, it's Nicosia here.
Fun. Ralph Noriega here. Tara, palo.
Moving. Andre Bamba for Papi.
Journey, Jolo for Papi.
Jolo!
Signing off.
Signing on. Let's go!
Sabay.
Okay na ba?
Okay,
Bye-bye.
See you
Thank
next
you,
year.
guys.
See
Thank
you
you,
next year.
Golf.
See you next year.
See you next year again.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo.
Okay na.